After we get this tire, first remove these two screws. Here is one. Here is one. These two screws. Unscrew first. Take it out. Then take these two things and install them. There's another one here. Then tighten. Both sides need to be tightened. Test this to see if there is any problem with rotating the tires. If the brake scratches the disc, then loosen the screw here on the brake. This level is enough. Then hold the brake. Hold the brake. Then tighten the screws. Keep holding the brake. Squeeze the brake and twist. Don't let go. It's okay if the tire rotates without any problem.